Good morning, everyone. Okay, so for my first video, I'm just going to do an acrylic pour. Now, I've watched a ton of videos, so hopefully this will go well. But the one thing that I do want to do is I like to tape the bottom. And the reason is because I find that you get a lot of little bubbles on the bottom from the paint. And this way, it just keeps it nice and clean. So I'll take this off. And then I'll remove it after I'm done. Now this is a small canvas. I traditionally do very, very large canvases. So this is going to be a little different for me to do not much paint. And also forgive me, this is my first video, so I'm a little nervous. So hopefully I don't muck everything up just because I'm nervous. But we'll see. Tried one video already. Yeah, wrecked it. Just because I was nervous and I went too fast. So this time I'm going to slow it down a bit. Okay, so what I want for the bottom is I want the black paint. So I'll get that all over here. Lots of paint. And I better put on my gloves too, because I usually make one heck of a mess. Alright, so let's swirl this around a little bit. I'm not going to worry about the edges right now. Alright, so the paints that I want to use today is I'm going to use white. So I'll put that in here. And like I said, I'm going to try not to put too much. Then I'm going to do this. Now this one's my own little mixture. It's of a blue-green color, but I like to put a little pearl in it. I like the way it looks, so I'll get that in there. One of my favorite colors lately is gold, and I don't know why, but I'm loving the gold. And then I'm going to do a little bit of sky blue. And I'll put a tiny bit more of each. I'm not holding that too high for you. Get rid of that sky blue. Alright, so I'm going to do the swirl. I'm going to do it at one end because I know people, you know, they don't want to have negative space, but I actually really like having the negative space. So I'm going to just do it in a corner. And I don't have near enough white for my taste, so I'm going to actually put it right out of the bottle. I'll load up on that white. Alright, let's put the heat on it first. Get rid of some of those air bubbles. I'm going to give it a go. Alright, I'm absolutely loving the way this is turning out. So, I'm going to stop right there because, like I said, I like having the negative space. So I'm just going to do some extra black over here. There. A little bit more tilt this way. Get that corner. A little bit on this corner over here. You're not even seeing what I'm doing, but that's, sorry about that. Alright. Get a little bit of this paint over the side here. And it has turned out exactly like I wanted it, which is nice. So you see how with that greeny blue, and I added the pearl. Of course, I'll put a drop of paint in there. That spot. Of course, my hands are covered in paint. And there we go. Don't have any more air bubbles in there. A bunch of cells pop up. Turn that around to give you guys a better look. And there you go. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, of course you can put it in the comments. And as always with YouTube, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting on quite a few videos because this is all I do is paint. So I might as well start videotaping all my work. Some of it's going to be a bit tough because I usually do 2x4 feet. But hope you like it. Let me know. I can always use some advice. All right. Everybody have a great day.